Hey tubers, well, I got a check engine light problem. That's right, it's on, that's the problem. The car dealer, repair shops will call that the money light. Right there's the money light, but it doesn't have to be. Okay, so first thing, let's read the code and find out what the hell's going on. Take your trusty code reader. You hit read. Now, you can get any kind of code reader you want for this job. It really doesn't matter because they all work about the same. Two codes. P442, P0442. Okay, well let's find out what that code stands for. So we open the book and we look it up. Probably one of those evap leaks. I get those a lot. 442 evap leak small. Okay. Hey, this one's pretty simple because yesterday I put gas in the truck. And what happens here is that this thing will just, if the cap isn't tightened right, pop off that code. So I've hit the erase and I'm resetting the codes. Done. All right, the light's gone. So, now I'm going to show you the actual fix. Like I said, yesterday, I put gas in the truck. So, you know, obviously I was screwing up. Them small evap leaks, and on this truck, it's probably the gas cap isn't tight enough. So we reinstall it, put it till it clicks, and there you go. Usually that'll take care of it. The only other time that it's actually been a problem for small evap leak, and we'll look at that right now, was one of these hoses over here likes to get loose. That one, but it's tight. Yeah, everything over here looks tight. Okay, I can live through this. All right. Yeah, but I'm going to guess that was the problem for the check engine. Is I just didn't put the gas cap on tight enough. Everything looks nice and clean under the hood. All right, that was my first check engine light for 202,000 miles. And I'm sure I'll get more in another. Hey, this was an easy video. Don't be afraid of the check engine light. I think what everybody needs, even if you just get the cheapest kind. What's this? This is our Actron. Or get one that hooks up with your cell phone. Hey, you can even go to the parts store and have them read the code. Once you've got the number, go online. YouTube videos will tell you a lot of information. And if you actually know your vehicle like I know mine, it's not real hard to figure out quick where the problems are. I actually suspected that was what was going on before I even plugged in the computer. I gotta tell you, that baby looks nice. And I cleaned out my trailer. Hey Biscuit, how's it going? Itchy Bob. Really? Okay, hey listen, that's a video. I have got my chicken coop video. I've still got to edit it. Came out nice. That's it.